The group of ministers had a meeting today and undertook elaborate discussions on various other precautionary measures which may be considered in the interest of the citizens of India. GOM expressed their satisfaction with the actions taken, preparedness, and efforts put together by various ministries, departments of states, and UTs to combat COVID-19. Subsequently, the Cabinet Secretary met with secretaries of concerned ministries, representatives from Army and ITBP today. It was decided that all states and UTs should be advised by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to make provisions under Section 2 of Epidemic Disease Act 1897. I repeat, Epidemic Disease Act 1897, so that all advisories being issued from time to time by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the state governments are enforceable. As I had told you yesterday and this morning as well, 2 travel advisories have been issued by Government of India yesterday. All incoming international passengers returning to India are to self-monitor their health and follow the recommended do's and don'ts. Passengers with travel history to China, Hong Kong, Republic of Korea, Japan, Italy, Thailand, Singapore, Iran, Malaysia, France, Spain, and Germany to undergo self-imposed quarantine for a period of 14 days from the date of their arrival, and their employers should facilitate work from home to such employees during this period. Indian citizens are advised to avoid all non-essential travel abroad. They are strongly advised to refrain from traveling to China, Italy, Iran, Republic of Korea, Japan, France, Spain, and Germany. I take this opportunity to urge to observe precautionary habits such as wash your hands frequently with soap and water or use hand rub. Wash hands even if they are visibly clean. Cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief, tissue while sneezing and coughing. Throw used tissues immediately into closed bins after use. See a doctor if you have fever, dry cough, and difficulty in breathing. While going out of the house, wear a mask or use cloth to cover your mouth and nose. If you have any of these signs, symptoms, please call a state helpline number of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 24/7 helpline number is 011 239 78046. I repeat, 011 239 78046. Till date, a total of 10,57,506 international passengers from 9,862 flights have undergone screening at airports. 35,971 passengers are currently under observation. I would also like to inform you that this morning 83 passengers from Italy arrived today. They have been quarantined at the Army facility at Manesar.